Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid versus the Kia Carnival. We'll dive into their core features, examining what makes each a strong contender in the minivan segment. Our focus will be on performance, how fuel efficient they are, and the practicalities of their interior space. Ultimately, we aim to help you decide which of these family-friendly vehicles is the better fit for your lifestyle and needs. When it comes to performance and efficiency, these two minivans take different approaches. The Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid stands out with its plug-in hybrid powertrain, offering an estimated 32 miles of electric-only driving before switching to gasoline. This results in an impressive 82 mpge combined. The Kia Carnival, on the other hand, typically comes with a robust 3.5-liter V6 engine, delivering 287 horsepower. A new Carnival hybrid is also available, achieving 33 miles per gallon combined. Inside, both the Pacifica Hybrid and Kia Carnival prioritize family comfort and versatility. The Pacifica Hybrid offers seating for 7, with its unique stow and go third-row seats that fold into the floor for expansive cargo space. However, due to its battery, the second-row stow and go is not available on the hybrid model. The Kia Carnival provides seating for up to 8 passengers and features an SUV-inspired interior design, with available VIP lounge seats in the second row. It also offers slightly more overall cargo volume. When considering value and safety, both vehicles offer compelling features. The Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid consistently earns high safety marks, including a 5-star overall safety rating from the NHTSA. It also offers available all-wheel drive, a feature not found on the Carnival. The Kia Carnival, while generally more budget-friendly, has also achieved a 5-star ANCAP safety rating for all its variants, including the hybrid. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize the Pacifica's plug-in hybrid efficiency and stow-and-go versatility, or the Carnival's strong value and SUV-like styling. Before you go, remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.